In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft Outlook you have. If you ever need to troubleshoot a problem, follow support instructions, or make sure a certain feature is available in your app, knowing your Outlook version can be very helpful. The good news is that this is quick and easy to find once you know where to look. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can see the main Outlook window clearly. You'll want to be on the regular home screen of the app before moving to the next step. Once Outlook is open, look toward the upper area of the window for the gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click the gear icon to open your Outlook settings. If you don't notice it right away, take a moment to scan the top right section carefully, since that's where it is typically located. After the Settings panel opens, find and click General. This section contains broader app information and preferences, so it's the right place to go when you need details about the software itself. Depending on your screen size or Outlook layout, you may need to look through the Settings menu for a moment, but General should be clearly listed. Inside the General section, click About Outlook. This is the area where Outlook displays information about the application, including the version you are currently using. Once you open it, you should be able to see the version of your Outlook right there on the screen. Take a moment to read the version information carefully, especially if you need it for troubleshooting, updates, or compatibility with other Microsoft tools. In some cases, you may see a version number, build number, or additional product details. If you need to share this information with technical support, it's a good idea to copy it down exactly as it appears. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, click the gear icon, go to General, and then select About Outlook to view your version information. It's a simple process, but it can save you time whenever you need to confirm which version of Microsoft Outlook you're using. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your Outlook version.